Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move and rearrange apps on your home screen on the Google Pixel 8. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, swipe upwards on your screen to access your app drawer. This is where all your installed applications are stored and organized. Once you're in the app drawer, take a moment to locate the specific app you want to move to your home screen. You can scroll through your apps or use the search function if you have many applications installed. Now, once you've found the app you want to move, press and hold on that application icon. Keep holding it until you feel a slight vibration or see the app lift up slightly from the screen. This indicates that the app is now ready to be moved. While still holding the app, drag it anywhere on the screen. As you do this, your home screen will automatically appear in the background, giving you a preview of where you can place the app. Continue dragging the app to your desired location on the home screen. You can position it wherever you'd like, whether that's at the top, bottom, or anywhere in between. Once you've found the perfect spot, simply release your finger and the app will be placed on your home screen. This makes accessing your most used applications much faster and more convenient. Now, if you want to rearrange apps that are already on your home screen, the process is just as simple. Press and hold the application you want to move until it lifts up. Then drag it to whatever position you prefer on the screen. You can move it to any empty space or even swap it with another app's location. Once you're satisfied with the new placement, release your finger to lock it in place. Here's something really useful. You can also move apps to a second page on your home screen if your first page is getting too crowded. To do this, hold the application and drag it all the way to the right edge of your screen. This will automatically take you to the next page, creating a second home screen page if one doesn't already exist. Once you're on that new page, release the app wherever you want it positioned. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to move apps to your home screen and rearrange them exactly how you like. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.